I'm going to show you a really simple way to bring in more sales to your Etsy shop year round, but especially the holiday season. And also like right after the holiday season, you know, when there's that sales slump that we kind of see in January. By adding this feature that I'm about to show you, it may help that time where there's a slump in sales. It may help bring new customers to your Etsy shop. I'm about to show you exactly what I mean. And before I get into it, don't click off this video because what I'm about to tell you sounds so simple or maybe boring, but I promise you it's going to make a real difference in your Etsy sales. When I first started print on demand, Printify did not offer gift messaging, so I had to turn that option off within my Etsy shop, which led to some disappointed customers. And even with that option turned off in my Etsy shop, I would still get customers messaging me after they purchased something saying, can you please add this gift message in? Or they would leave it in like the notes section of the order. Can you please add this gift message in? And unfortunately, I would have to message them back and tell them no. But now, you know, in the past year or so, Printify does offer gift messaging, which has been great. But I'm gonna show you how to take this to a whole new level to bring in new customers to your shop. By turning the gift messaging feature back on, it really makes your customers happy because they're able to add that personalized touch to their gifts. And then there's also an added benefit for the seller. So here's the real trick, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this step by step. So the customer can leave the exact message that they want on the gift card. However, that message is going to go on a templated gift message card within Printify. So on that templated gift message card, we can provide their message, but we can also provide a QR code that's going to bring that new person, because remember, they're receiving a gift from somebody. It's going to bring that new customer that may have never even shopped on Etsy directly to your Etsy shop. We're also going to add an added discount to entice that person to shop at your store. I don't know about you, but when I receive a gift from somebody, if it's something that I really like, I want to know what store it was, and chances are I'm going to shop at that store because if I like what they're giving me, I probably like more things within that shop. So it's kind of the same thing. You know, they might thank their friend, "Thank you so much, I love it, where did you get it?" And they might say the Etsy shop, but they might forget about it and they might forget the name of it, and they're not going to know how to find your shop when it, like, you know, the day passes and they can finally sit down and type it into Etsy. So the QR code is perfect because they just scan their phone over it and it takes them right to the shop. It makes it so simple for that person to go check out what else you have to offer. So first we're gonna jump into my laptop. I'm gonna show you how to turn this on within Etsy. I'm gonna show you how to turn this on within Printify, and then we're gonna make a template together. I'm gonna show you how we can very quickly make a QR code that goes right on to the gift message. And I'm gonna talk about how to set up a specialized discounted offer for these gift messages. Okay, so here we are within Etsy, and the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come down here to settings, and then you're going to go to options, and then you're gonna go right here to offer a gift note and make sure that that is clicked on. Then you're gonna come into Printify and you're going to go to store settings over here, and then you're going to come all the way over here to where it says gift messages. And this is where you will click enable gift messages for all eligible orders. It says eligible orders because there are some print providers that offer this. Not all of them offer this. Here are the supported print providers, and as most of you know, I mostly use Monster Digital and Swift POD, so this works for me. All of my listings are synced up to either Swift POD or Monster Digital, so I'm in the clear with gift messages. And then we can hit edit template. And now if you don't feel like going into Canva, which I'm about to show you, you could literally just leave it a blank card, and when the customer orders, the message will show up here, and the recipient will be just receiving like a blank card with the message. It will look like this. I think that's pretty boring, and that's not going to get anybody to your Etsy shop. And that's the whole point of this video, is one, providing satisfaction with our customers, but also having that added benefit as a seller to get new buyers to our shop. So we're going to click out of here and let me go back. Okay, so the print area size is important. So it's 1795 by 1193. So you need to remember that when you go into Canva. Okay, so in Canva, we are going to create the custom size. So 1795 by 1193. Okay, and now we have our canvas that we're going to start designing on. So you can easily just come over here to design and they will show you some things already. We're not going to put thank you on it or any big designs, because remember, the customer's message is going to show up in the middle. So we just want it to be like pretty, maybe like the same colors as your Etsy shop, so it ties into the branding. But remember, the middle part is going to be taken. So we're going to have like this top part, or like this over on the sides a little bit, and like a little bit of the bottom part. So we don't need to worry too much about the design. We just want it to look like nice. I kind of like this one. I'm just going to choose this. We're going to delete this. So like the message will probably appear right there. I'm going to delete this, but I might use this font. I'm going to change the text in just a minute. But I'm going to show you how to make a QR code first. So we're going to come over here to apps, and I'm going to type in QR code. So this is going to generate custom QR codes for printing and sharing. So we're going to open this. And now we're going to get the URL from our Etsy shop and paste it into here to generate the code. I believe that you need the pro version for this. There are websites for free that will make you a QR code. You just type it into Google and then you can drag that image into Canva if you don't have Canva Pro. But if you do have Canva Pro, it's very simple to do it right here. All right, so this is really important. We're gonna come into Etsy and we're gonna go to marketing, and then we're gonna go up here to share and save. You can save on Etsy fees when you drive the sales to your shop. So you're going to click join now, and you're going to get that special link to drive traffic to your shop. Once you have that link, you're going to copy that and paste that into the Canva URL. I don't have that set up on this shop, so I'm going to just show you here. This is just my dummy shop to teach you all how to do Etsy and print on demand. But you can also come up here just for your link, copy link. And now that you have that link, you're going to paste it into that space to generate the code. And now I have a QR code, and I'm going to put that just up here. Maybe I'll say visit with us. Visit with us. I don't want it to be like too bold because I want them I want to be respectful of the customer's gift message, but just, you know, a little bit visit with us. And then I'm going to put a special code here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go back into Etsy, and we're going to come again to marketing, and then we're going to go to sales and discounts, and then create promo code, and you can choose the percentage off. I'm going to do 25%. And order minimum, it's up to you if you want to do like off of the order total or a certain number of items. I'm just going to keep it none for right now. And I'm going to put no end date so that this can just like run forever. And my custom promo code, you can put it whatever you want. I'm just going to put like nice to meet you. Continue. We're going to start the start date now, and nice to meet you. And I'm going to put this on all listings and review and confirm, and then confirm and create code. Now I have this link where I could have made a QR code with this, and it would take them directly to the shop and they would automatically get 25% off. But I want to add the extra incentive onto the gift message. So I'm just going to have them say like code nice to meet you for 25% off. Because if they just, you know, do the QR code, they're not going to know that they're going to get 25% 10% off. So now we are back in Canva. I'm gonna add another text box. I'm just gonna duplicate this and I'm just gonna make it really simple. Code nice to meet you for 25% off. So that's going to give them some enticement to use this QR code. And I'm literally going to keep it this simple because like I said, I wanna make my customer happy. The customer won't even see it because it's going to the recipient, but still I just wanna make it like simple and easy to read their message and then easy to use the QR code. So now we're going to share this. We're going to download. And now we are back in Printify and I'm going to come up here to upload and I'm going to drag in that file. All right, now here it is. And typically behind the dotted lines, there's the possibility of it not getting printed. So that makes me a little bit nervous. But if we preview it, let's take a look. It's showing that it fits perfectly. So that's why those dimensions are so important to follow, Printify's dimensions, because it will give you a perfect fit. And then they're just showing that there will be like a white border around it. So I think that looks really nice. Then the other option is to change this text color if we want to. So let's go back to edit. We can change the color of the background of the card if we want to. I'm just gonna keep it white. I think that looks nice with my design. But if you want to change the text, you're going to click here and we can come up here to change the color of the text. I could do dark green. It'll match like the branding colors, and I can also change the text. There are like hundreds of options here. And just FYI, like if you're clicked out of the text, you won't be able to change the colors or the font up here. Even if you click on it here, I'm clicking and it's not doing so. So you have to come over here to the message text. You click that and then you're able to edit it. So I'm actually going to change this back to black. All right, so whatever my customer types in will appear here. Now we're going to just preview one more time. All right, and there we have it. That looks really nice and simple. And then we're just going to click Save Product. And now this is the gift message that is set up to go out to my customers. Okay, and here it is. And again, make sure that this is toggled on so that your gift message card is set up. Now it is 15 cents per gift message, but it's down to 10 cents per gift message if you have Printify Premium, which I highly suggest. Printify Premium is $29 per month, and it gives you up to 20% discount on all products. It gives you a higher profit margin, so I highly suggest this. If you want to give it a try, in the description below, code Jenny, all caps, to get your first month free of Printify Premium. Now every time a customer requests a gift message, you will have a beautifully branded gift message card sent out with the order.